Hi, welcome to this special moment once again. I welcome you all my subscribers in the diaspora. Welcome you all my returning subscribers. Thank you for staying tuned. Like I used to say, this is the channel that provides you with useful information to travel all over the world. The channel that brings you related updates on how to immigrate from one continent to the other. Briefly today, we are going to discuss about asylum. We'll discuss about asylum because a friend of mine called me and explained what is passing through in the diaspora. And I didn't understand that he did not really know his right as a refugee. There is a right provided for you as a refugee if you are immigrating from one continent to the other. So this morning, briefly, I'm going to walk you through on how to go about having your asylum when you are in a foreign land. And please, if today is your first time of coming across this channel that brings you with updates, please do subscribe and like the video so that YouTube can recommend it for other users. Now, if I may ask, what do you understand by asylum? And how do you seek asylum? First of all, if you are afraid to return back to your country, or where you have lived previously, because of violence, because of persecution, because of war, or you are in danger of suffering serious harm in that your country or the country where you are staying, you can apply for asylum. If all this category of situation I have mentioned, you fall among them, then you can apply for asylum and you'll be granted asylum. Now, pay attention to this. You cannot apply for asylum if you are in Australia, in Canada. You cannot apply for asylum in US while you are in Germany, right? Because you can only apply for asylum in a particular country where you are, wherever you are, where you are immigrated to, and you discover that your document have expired or will be expiring very soon. This is another pathway that you can use to immigrate to any country. Why? The UN itself have made this as a point of duty to protect all immigrants, because the UN knew that people are immigrating from one country to the other, one continent to the other, in search of their greener pasture, in looking for their daily bread. So as a refugee, their right you have. So you wait to the end of this video while I will continue to walk you through. Now, who are refugees? Generally, I will be speaking on asylum general, but if you want me to make a video in the country you are, drop it at the comment section, because as country differs, that is how the way of application of asylum equally differs. So the country you are will determine the category of documents that are needed or you will be needed to apply for asylum as a refugee. So today I will be speaking generally on how asylum is all about, their criteria, their functions. Now, who are refugees? Refugees are considered as if they meet the following requirement. Before you can become a refugee, there are requirements that you must meet. What are those requirements? That you are in outside country, the country of origin. You are not in your country of origin, or you are in a different country that you were not given birth to. It's not your country. You are not a national of that country. You can be considered as a refugee. Or you have been founded of being fear of being persecuted, or because of religion crisis, races, or members of particular groups. Example, politics. If your life is stressing, your life is in danger, you are running away. So the UN brought this law. The United Nations High Commissioner for Refugee brought out this guide to help immigrants to protect their life, to protect their rights in any country they have immigrated to. Now, let's proceed. Please, if up to now you have not liked this video, you're not doing me good though. Like the video and let me hear your comment from the comment section so that we continue to assist our brothers in the diaspora and our brothers and sisters who are still planning to immigrate from one country to the other. Now, how do you seek asylum? Asylum seekers. Asylum seekers are considered as who has what? Applied for refugee status. You have applied for refugee status. Who has not yet been considered? You have applied, and the decision whether to be considered as a refugee have not been recognized by you. And the only person who has, the only body that have the right to recognize anybody as a refugee is the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees. So they are the people who will tell you that yes, you are a refugee, but you cannot just become a refugee without you being applying. You apply to the government of resident and equally apply to United Nations High Commissioner for Refugee. They are the one who are going to look at your document and look at the situation that surrounds you. What you have stated that your life is at stake. For you coming back to your country, you could be killed. So UN is going to provide you and protect you there. Because the primary duties of UN is to protect life and property. Let's proceed. Now, under no circumstances should asylum seeker now turn away from the airport. This is your right. There should be no mean whereby asylum seeker should be turned away from the point of entry to any country. You are entering a particular country and you are being called. When you explain all these things to them, the immigration officers cannot repatriate you back. This is one of your rights. That's why I say this is a channel that will be guiding you through. Tune into this channel, you'll be getting update. You have the right for them not to return you back because of safety. You are running away from death, persecution, or political crisis, war. So they should protect you. This order is given by UN. Now, after being considered as a refugee by the UN, that is when the UN government, the UN as a body will write to that particular country you are staying that this person is being screened and considered as a refugee. So they should give you document. You'll be given document to go on in search of your greener pasture. And for some of our brothers in the diaspora, our students who are stranded, this is a pathway for you to get your document. Follow the normal process as I have guided you through. You'll be getting your document. But like I said, I'll be doing videos on different countries on how to seek asylum. I'll be doing videos on different countries on how to seek asylum. I hope I have walked you through on a various way. As I've explained on these asylum seekers, you have your right. Channel your document to the appropriate authority, you'll be granted document to stay. Like I said, drop the comment at the comment section. Any country you are and you want me to produce a video to guide you through on how to get or seek asylum, let me hear from the comment section. Thank you for staying tuned.